Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous beach fashion choices of the stunning Shraddha Das. The actress, known for her impeccable style, never fails to make a statement, especially when it comes to beach fashion. Let's take a closer look at some of her standout bikini choices. First up, we have the classic bikini. The actress rocks this timeless piece with elegance and confidence. The simple yet chic design highlights her curves perfectly, making it a must-have for any beach outing. Next, we have the vibrant printed bikini. Shraddha Das isn't afraid to experiment with bold patterns and colors, and this bikini is no exception. Moving on to something a bit more trendy, we have the one-shoulder bikini. The beauty adds a touch of sophistication to her beach look with this stylish choice. The asymmetrical neckline adds visual interest, while still offering plenty of support. Whether it's oversized sunglasses, a floppy hat, or statement earrings, Shraddha Das knows how to elevate her beach attire with the perfect finishing touches. Feast your eyes on the stunning metallic bikini. With its shimmering fabric and luxurious appeal, Shraddha commands attention as she basks in the sunlight, embodying the epitome of beachside glamour. Moving on to the sophisticated high-waisted bikini. The actress effortlessly channels retro vibes with this chic ensemble, proving that vintage-inspired swimwear is always in vogue. Paired with a wide-brimmed hat and retro sunglasses, she exudes timeless elegance. And let's not overlook the bohemian crochet bikini. With its intricate patterns and free-spirited allure, Shraddha embraces her inner boho goddess as she frolics in the sand, epitomizing laid-back beach chic. The bold animal print bikini. Unleashing her wild side, the beauty commands attention with this fierce and fearless choice, proving that sometimes, a little animal instinct is all you need to make a splash. Whether she's dazzling in metallics, embracing vintage charm, channeling bohemian vibes, or unleashing her inner wildcat, she continues to set the bar high when it comes to beach bikini fashion. The ethereal sarong bikini. With its flowing fabric and delicate patterns, the actress effortlessly exudes a sense of ethereal beauty as she glides along the shoreline, leaving a trail of elegance in her wake. The glamorous one-shoulder bikini. Shraddha oozes sophistication and allure in this chic and asymmetrical ensemble, proving that sometimes, less is more when it comes to making a statement. And let's not forget about the enchanting lace-up bikini. With its intricate detailing and playful design, the actress captivates hearts as she frolics in the sand, embodying the essence of beachside romance. The regal jewel-toned bikini. Adorned in rich hues and luxurious fabrics, she exudes royalty as she lounges in style, proving that every beach day is an opportunity to unleash your inner queen. From the ethereal sarong to the glamorous one-shoulder, the enchanting lace up to the regal jewel-toned, the actress continues to captivate with her impeccable taste and effortless style. Shraddha effortlessly exudes charm and grace as she dances along the shoreline, her every movement a symphony of beauty. The actress steals the spotlight in this chic and trendy ensemble, her bare shoulders and sun-kissed skin creating a mesmerizing allure that's impossible to ignore. The beauty shines like a beacon of style and glamour as she takes center stage on the beach, captivating all who gaze upon her. The enchanting wrap-around bikini. With its versatile design and flattering silhouette, Shraddha effortlessly channels bohemian vibes as she embraces the carefree spirit of beach life, her every step a testament to her free-spirited nature. The actress continues to set the bar high when it comes to beach fashion. Shraddha knows that less is more when it comes to beach makeup, opting for a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer that allows her natural beauty to shine through. The actress reaches for a bronzer with a hint of shimmer. She applies it to the high points of her face, the cheekbones, temples, and jawline, to create a sun-kissed glow that mimics the effects of a day spent lounging in the sun. The beauty keeps her eye makeup soft and luminous, opting for neutral shades like sandy browns, soft golds, and peachy pinks that complement her sun-kissed complexion. Shraddha lines her eyes with a waterproof eyeliner in a subtle brown or bronze shade. She smudges it gently along the lash line for a soft, smoky effect that enhances her natural eye shape. No beach makeup look is complete without a swipe of mascara to add length and volume to the lashes. The actress opts for a waterproof formula to ensure her mascara stays put, even on the hottest of beach days. Shraddha keeps her lip color soft and natural, opting for shades like peachy nudes, rosy pinks, and sheer glosses that enhance her natural lip color while adding a hint of shine. The actress knows the power of highlighting. She applies a luminous highlighter to the high points of her face, the cheekbones, brow bones, and cupid's bow, to create a radiant, lit-from-within glow that catches the sunlight and adds an ethereal shimmer to her complexion. The actress sometimes adds a pop of color to her beach makeup looks with a subtle wash of eyeshadow in a bold hue like turquoise, coral, or gold. She applies it to the center of her lids or along the lower lash line for a playful pop of color that adds interest to her eyes. For those extra sunny days, she knows the importance of sun protection. She always applies a lightweight, SPF-infused setting spray to lock in her makeup and protect her skin from harmful UV rays. This not only helps her makeup last longer but also ensures her skin stays protected and hydrated throughout the day. The actress dusts a translucent setting powder over her T-zone to minimize shine and ensure her makeup stays in place, even in the heat of the sun. This helps to keep her complexion looking fresh and flawless all day long. With these additional techniques and products, Shraddha Das elevates her beach makeup looks to the next level, ensuring she always looks and feels her best while soaking up the sun. The effortless beach waves. Shraddha knows that nothing says, "Beach babe," quite like tousled locks, and she effortlessly rocks this laid-back look with ease. Whether she's lounging on the sand or taking a dip in the ocean, her beach waves exude carefree charm and natural beauty. The actress adds a touch of bohemian flair to her beach look with this elegant yet effortless hairstyle. She weaves her hair into two loose braids, wrapping them around her head to create a beautiful crown that's fit for a beach goddess. Shraddha keeps cool and chic with a sleek high ponytail. She gathers her hair into a high ponytail at the crown of her head, securing it with a hair tie for a polished and put-together look that's perfect for both lounging on the beach and sipping cocktails by the pool. The beauty elevates the classic bun with a beachy twist, opting for a loose and tousled style that adds a touch of romance to her seaside look. Whether she's enjoying a beach picnic or watching the sunset, her beach bun exudes effortless elegance and charm. Shraddha effortlessly weaves her hair into intricate braids, creating a whimsical and ethereal look that's perfect for a romantic stroll along the shore or a sunset beach picnic with your loved one. Shraddha elevates the classic half-up hairstyle with a beachy twist, pulling back the top section of her hair and securing it with a stylish hair clip or ribbon for a look that's equal parts effortless and elegant. The actress knows the power of the dramatic beach ponytail. She gathers her hair into a sleek and voluminous ponytail, teasing the crown for added height and volume, and securing it with a statement hair tie or scarf for a bold and eye-catching look. The beauty takes her beach look to the next level with an elegant updo, twisting and pinning her hair into intricate knots and loops for a sophisticated and polished finish that's perfect for any beachside soiree. The actress knows that a stylish pair of shades is essential for any beach outing. Whether she's rocking oversized aviators, retro cat eye frames, or trendy mirrored lenses, her sunglasses not only protect her eyes from the sun but also add a dose of sophistication to her beach look. Shraddha elevates her beach look with a wide-brimmed sun hat or a trendy fedora, not only providing extra protection from the sun but also adding a chic and stylish touch to her outfit. She knows the power of a vibrant beach tote. Whether she's carrying a straw bag adorned with colorful pom-poms or a bold, printed canvas tote, her beach bag not only holds all of her essentials but also makes a bold fashion statement. The actress takes her beach look to the next level by accessorizing with a lightweight scarf, tying it around her neck, waist, or hair for a touch of bohemian charm and effortless style. Shraddha knows that the right accessories can take her beach look from ordinary to extraordinary, and she's not afraid to sparkle and shine with statement earrings, layered necklaces, and stackable bracelets that catch the sunlight and add a touch of luxury to her ensemble. The beauty knows that a chic cover-up is essential for transitioning from the beach to the boardwalk with ease. Whether she's rocking a breezy kaftan, a crochet cover-up, or a flowy maxi dress, her beach cover-up not only provides extra coverage but also adds a touch of style and elegance to her beach ensemble. Shraddha knows the power of a stylish beach towel. Whether she's lounging on the sand or relaxing by the pool, her beach towel is not just a practical accessory but also a fashion statement, with luxurious materials, vibrant prints, and stylish fringe details that add a touch of elegance to her seaside style. The actress completes her beach look with stylish sandals, espadrilles, or flip-flops that are both comfortable and fashionable. Whether she's walking along the shoreline or stepping out for a beachside lunch, her beach footwear adds the perfect finishing touch to her seaside ensemble. Shraddha Das knows that a beautifully draped sarong can instantly elevate her beach look with its versatility and style. Whether she's wearing it as a skirt, a dress, or a shawl, her beach sarong adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to her ensemble. Making jewelry pieces inspired by tropical destinations. Think chunky bangles, colorful beaded necklaces, and exotic earrings that add a touch of bohemian charm and island flair to her ensemble. The actress knows the power of a stylish beach hat. Whether she's wearing a wide-brimmed straw hat adorned with ribbon or a chic fedora with embellishments, her beach hat not only provides shade from the sun but also adds a dose of sophistication to her seaside style. Shraddha completes her beach ensemble with a stylish and functional bag that holds all of her essentials in style. Whether she's carrying a woven tote, a canvas backpack, or a chic straw clutch, her beach bag adds the perfect finishing touch to her seaside ensemble. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.